Hello everyone, this is Chef Milton. I'm going to show you how to make a simple shrimp etouffee. Here's a quick reduced version. So you're going to take your trinity, which is tomatoes, celery, onions, and you have your shrimp. Okay. The key to this is the stock. So what I did was I took the shells off, and if you follow me, what I did here was I took the shells, put a little bit of butter, and then I added the scraps of the celery and the onions. So you let that sit on down. Then you're going to go ahead and add water to that, about 3 to 4 cups. Let that reduce down for 20 minutes. Now what do you have? You have fish stock. So then that's going to reduce down. And then when we come back, I'll show you how to make the rest. Part 2 of this shrimp etouffee tutorial. So now that you have your stock cooked down, all you're going to do, if you have a strainer, great. I didn't have one, so cheesecloth works fine. You're going to just basically, why? Is to discard all of this crap right here. And then the cheesecloth catches all your good stuff. Then you just give it a good little turn. Now look at all that good broth. Now this is going to be used when I put the flour, my onions, my bell peppers, my tomatoes, my Worcestershire sauce, and some other goodies to make my shrimp etouffee. I will show you part 3 in one moment. See you soon. Bye. Okay, part 3 of this. This is your roux. This is the same thing as gumbo. The difference is this is only going to cook for about 10 minutes. A real roux gumbo is about an hour, which is what I did on the other food. So basically what you're going to do is combine a 1/4 cup of oil, a 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of flour, and then basically you're going to stir this for 10 minutes, medium heat. Basically, so you just want to get that till it cooks. Basically what I'm doing is cooking the flour out, okay? Then, when this is cooked out, you're going to go ahead and add your stock to it. That's going to thicken it up. Then you're going to add your seasoning. Go. All right. So now, we're adding the celery, the onions, and tomato to your mix. Right? And what you're getting ready to do is go ahead and hit it with Worcestershire sauce. Y'all can't smell that, but Lord of mercy, that smells good. And now let that cook for 1 minute. When we come back, I'll show you how to put the broth in and put it all in. Okay, so now everything has cooked up, got it nice. So now we just add a cup at a time of that fish broth that we made. And as you see, because of the flour, see how it's starting to immediately thicken up, which is why you have to do the flour. You cook it a little bit and just do it gradually. Because see, now it's getting to be like a gravy. See how thick that got, and the Worcestershire sauce got into that? Now we add a little bit more Now this is 2 cups, actually it's 4 cups. I don't even need that much. Look at that. Do you see how thick and smooth that is? When we come back, shrimp time. Milton with MDC Concierge once again. Final stage of your shrimp etouffee. As you see now, it's getting nice and thick. That's when you add just a couple of tablespoons of your favorite seasoning. Cajun season, you can make it spicy or not, okay? You just hit it like that. See how pretty that is? Now the last step is the shrimp. So, we go in, we get our shrimp. It's already been deveined, and use that stock. Now, we just let that cook. When we come back, we'll plate this puppy for you. See you soon. Alright, this is Chef Milton with MDC Concierge in my kitchen. I am going to show you the final results. So we got simple rice. Now come on in and look at how beautiful this shrimp etouffee is. It's all done. So now, that, my ladies and gentlemen, is how it's done. And then what you do, you take that and then you add just a little bit of garnish. Oh yeah, that's it. That's all. I'll catch up to you guys later. And that's it. Next up is some blackened fish. See you soon.